Hello everyone, welcome back to Love at Home. I am Kim and today I will be doing a massive homeware haul. So since I moved here, my husband and I kind of realized that this house, even though it's very pretty, it's, pretty new, it kind of needs a little bit more color to it to make it feel more homey. So that's why we decided to buy a couple of homeware and decorative items from different stores. Enough of the rambling. What's this? I keep on doing this. Enough of the rambling. So I'm going to show you all the items that we got from all these interesting stores. So first store we went to is HomeGoods, and let me show you this. It's a lid organizer, and we got this for $9.99. So it's very nice because you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lids here. And instead of having the drawers or the cabinets so messy, messed up with all those lids, we can organize the lids over here. And of course, a lid organizer is nothing without a pan organizer. This is $9.99. And you can put 1, 2, 3, 4 pans here. So it's kind of good. No, it's not kind of good. It's really good. I'm so excited to use them. Okay, and the next one, I'm looking at my notebook right now. So it has all the prices. The next one is the cast iron pan. So from $8, we got this baby for $5.99. So here, I've been wanting to use a cast iron pan so that whenever I want to stir fry something and then eventually let it finish in the oven, at least I can use this one. So next item is this ceramic pan. So I've never used a ceramic pan before, and I've heard a lot of good reviews about ceramic pans because they say that it emits less toxins or chemicals compared to the Teflon pans, and it's non-stick. So we got this one from $20 down to $12.99. So I'm gonna link everything that I found in the description box if I find it online, okay? So the next item that we saw is this Lazy Susan. Look at that. It's 12 inches in diameter, and we got this for $3.99. So it was previously $7. And you've seen me in my previous video with the Dollar Tree haul that I made a Lazy Susan with 2 pie pans and 1 set of marbles. But apparently I couldn't find any marbles in the multiple Dollar Trees that I've been going to. Maybe you guys are getting all those marbles, huh? But no worries. Next item that I got is this I love coffee sign. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. My husband was the one who found this in the store, and we got this for $5.99. So it will look so perfect in the coffee station. Next one is another item that my husband saw, which is this one. I'm sorry if it's gleaming through the lights, but it's actually a dry erase calendar. So it says here it's a good week, and it lists Monday to Sunday. So when you have, let's say, to-do lists that you have to do, that doesn't sound right. But anyway, if you have to-do lists, you can write them here with this dry erase marker, and it's a lot more convenient. Ew. We got this one for $14.99, and it used to be $21. The last item we found in HomeGoods is this beautiful accessories tree. Look at that. So you can actually fit some rings here. You can put your necklaces here. You can put some other accessories in this base. And this is actually handcrafted from India. We got this for $12.99. So it was formerly $21. And that is it for HomeGoods. So next store that we went to is KIRKLAND'S. So for KIRKLAND'S, we just got 2 items. So we got this. Where is Kirkland? Oh, there you go. Okay. So the first item we got from KIRKLAND'S is this 24-inch wall shelf. So We got this from the store for $12.59, but when I looked online in Kirkland's website, they're actually selling this same item for $24.49. So it's a good steal. It's like half the price. And yeah, I think this is the last one we saw, or there's still a couple. I'm gonna link this down below, but I advise you to, you know, take some time, look through the stores because there are better deals over there than online. And the second item we got from Kirkland's is this scent sachet. So I don't have it with me right now because my husband already used it in his car and it smells so good. But I advise you that if you're not into strong scents, maybe you'd like to put that scent sachet at the back of your car if you're the one driving and if no one's at the back. Just because the scent is pretty strong. But yeah, you can put it in gift baskets for your friends. You can put it in the bathroom. You can put it in your closet, anywhere, but it smells so good. And we got that one for $2.49. I couldn't find that specific scent in the website, but yeah, you can check out Kirkland's. By the way, we went to Kirkland's in the one in Eastvale. So the rumors are true. It's kind of expensive in Bed Bath & Beyond, but I can tell you right now that the material that they are using are quite sturdy and I feel like it lasts a long time by just touching them. So without further ado, the first item that I bought is not even homeware. It's this Flawless Brows. So it says here instantly, can you see it? Okay. So it says here that it instantly removes hair, pain-free, 18K gold-plated. And I already used this for my brows yesterday. And I'm not that impressed with this contraption, this thing. Because I feel that what it does is that it just cuts the hair. But yeah, I mean, some people like it, but for me, I'd rather use tweezers. I also used this thing with my arm, and I'm pretty surprised. It actually removed a strip of the hair in my arm. So the second item we got from Bed Bath & Beyond is this metal and wood fruit holder. Is it a fruit holder? It's a fruit basket. So we got this one for $24.99. I know it's not that expensive, but for me, cheap is something else, you know, like cheap, like cheap, Dollar Tree cheap. But yeah, the material is really nice. I like it. And yeah, I mean, hopefully we'll be able to use this in the pantry or something. This is one of the favorite items that we got from all the stores we've been to, and it's this. Oh, it's so heavy. Okay. So the reason why it's heavy is because it's made out of acacia wood with marbles. So I've seen online in Amazon, in not Etsy. What's that store? I forgot. But I've seen online that they're selling this 2-tier server for about $51, and we got this at Bed Bath & Beyond for $39.99, and they still have a few in stock. So it's this one. This is how it looks like. It's so nice because if you want to have like a fancy breakfast, you can just, you know, put everything, all the food there, the fruits, the whatsoever. And you know, your girl is kind of fancy sometimes. I mean, you know, instead of going to a buffet or out in a restaurant, maybe bring the restaurant to your home and cook something and put it in the 2-tier server and it looks fancy already, right? So the last store I'm going to show you is Marshall's. We got this deep tissue roller. So you know, whenever you go to the gym, there's like this cylindrical thing where people would just roll their body parts in it, and it kind of like massages the body. So we got, that is so unelegant. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to do that. So itchy. But this one is $14.99. It's kind of pricey compared to the other stuff we bought, but we need our massages sometimes, and I like just rolling this all over our body or legs, especially if you had leg day and then you'll just want to, you know, press your hamstring against this thing. Okay, blah, rambling again. Next item we got from Marshall's is this ab wheel. So you just look online how to use an ab wheel. So we got this one for $7.99. Next item we got from Marshall's is this bamboo all natural brush. So we're planning to use this to wash the dishes because I've heard that it accumulates less bacteria compared to the dish sponge that we normally use. So I'm gonna give this a try. And we got this one for $2.99. Oh yeah, the planner where I'm putting all my notes. I also got this from Marshall's, and it's made with paper that's 60% recycled fiber. I got this for $7.99, and what I like about this is that it's big. I like big planners. Some people don't. I do. But it separates all the date, and look, it has a huge space. Can you see it? It has a huge space for every day to do all your to-do lists. You can also put a block schedule there because it's that spacious, and I love it. So another item we got is this round and circular, how redundant. This circular tray that we got for $9.99, and the previous price is $14. So we can put like stuff for the bathroom or anything of that nature. You've noticed we love trays and baskets because the next item that we got is another tray. So it's a kind of like a bronzy wooden tray. It's kind of big, see? And we got this for $12.99. It's so nice because you can put a lot of stuff here too to make your table organized or to make your table just look so pretty. It kind of has this rustic look to it, which I love. See all the details there. And it's from Coopertown Craftsman. And the last item we got from Marshall's is this round metal wall shelf. So it looks so pretty because we can put some decorative items here, some picture frames. You can also put succulents, plants, or the fake succulents. So it's really nice. We can put it up in our wall. And we got this one for $19.99. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the last store, which is TJ Maxx. So we actually got these plant pots. It's $16.99 each, and it's so pretty. I mean, we've looked throughout the entire store to see if there is an item like that, and I've also checked online. I don't think they are selling those kinds of pots anymore. So I took the opportunity, grabbed 2 of those for our plants because apparently we are using a not so decorative plant pots as of the moment. And yeah, I love it. It's so nice. It's so neutral and pretty. So the last item we got from TJ Maxx are these woven baskets. So the price is $9.99 each, and it's very nice because it's a fashionable way of storing items, and it looks so pretty. It looks like a decorative item, but it's functional.
That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please give this video a like because it really helps with the algorithm. If you want more content like this, Dollar Tree hauls, cooking, cleaning motivation, please make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and hit that bell notification so you know that I upload every Tuesday and Thursdays. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye!
Next, I'm so white. Ano ba yan? I'm so pale.